Hi everybody, my name's Noah. Today we're making glow-in-the-dark slime. We need glow-in-the-dark glue and activator. So let's start. Okay.
Oh, be careful.
I'll be careful. Put it in hot water so we can get the rest of it out.
Dad, did you put in hot water?
Let's get the bottom of it. Then we need this activator. Just a little bit. That's about it. Now we mix it. Mix the beat.
Are you okay about this?
Yeah, I'm okay.
No slime. Okay.
Then we need a little bit more.
And make it perfect. No, you make it slimy things. I'm angry.
I'm like, I'm having a good time with this because I like my own slime, glow-in-the-dark slime, and then getting a little bit more. Well, it's guys, it's turning into slime. Look, guys, look, it's turned into a big blob. I mean, one more bit. Well, I don't really have for my dad because I'm making it all by myself. Well, Dad helped me a little, like he put one bar in the thing, whatever. It's just so, oh my god, it's slime. What kind of slime looks like snot? Slime snot. Slime snot, okay. I know it's not funny. It's time to stretch it out. You need to stretch it out because to make it like slime. Now it's time to stretch it out. Let's say that again, double. It's so rough, look. Now we put it in the sun to let it charge. And time for the test. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! It's close! It goes in the dark! Yeah, it goes in the dark!
Yay! The test! Can I hold it? No, I can't hold it.
Yeah, you hold it.
Gotcha.
Turn off the light. Turn off the light.